If your iPhone screen is completely black, but the phone is still on, you may still hear sounds, feel vibrations, or receive notifications. This can be frustrating because your iPhone appears to be running, but you can't see or use anything on the screen. One of the first things you should try is a force restart. This can help if your iPhone is experiencing a temporary software issue causing the display to remain black. The force restart process is the same for all iPhones with Face ID. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, and immediately press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button, even if the screen stays black at first. Release it only when you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Make sure you do the button sequence quickly and in the correct order. A force restart will not delete your photos, apps, or other personal data. Once your iPhone turns back on, check whether the screen is working normally again. And that's how you can fix an iPhone with a black screen that's still powered on. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.